Hello everyone and welcome back to yet another video, and today I will show you that how to go back in Adobe Illustrator. So let's suppose I have created these three lines in Adobe Illustrator, and now I want to remove the last line that I just created. So the easiest way to do that is to press Ctrl plus Z on the keyboard, and now if I press it again, another line will be removed. You can also go to the edit menu and press the undo calligraphic stroke button, or maybe it will be displaying you only undo. Just hit it and it will do the same thing. And now let's suppose you have changed your mind again and you want all the three lines to come back. Now you have to press Ctrl Shift and Z and the line will be back again. And now if you press it repeatedly, all the lines will be visible to you. So let's do undo one more time, and you can redo it from edit menu as well. So this is how you can go back in Adobe Illustrator, which saves you a lots of time. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.